Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2016 GMC Terrain Denali all-wheel drive. Stock number Z8956X. 25,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Terrain brand new, Iridium metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years, or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Terrain's a very safe vehicle. Blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 8-speaker Pioneer sound system, power seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, and that's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.